Zillo Mantasha. Well, at the outset, I want to congratulate all the students of University of Sufism and Modern Sciences, along with their faculty, for organizing this wonderful event, not only in the vicinity of University of Sufism and Modern Sciences, but here at SABS University, Jamshoro. Well, in fact, today is a launch of Art Forum, Sufi Art Forum, that we are coming here through the platform of University of Sufism and Modern Sciences with the objective that the lessons that we have in our previous ancestors' cultures, in poetries, and at different practices, we want to bring it to all the universities in Sindh and beyond. We want to make it sure that the lessons of ethics, honesty, peace, harmony, and love that we are there, that we already learned from the ancestors, should be propagated to the larger number of universities and larger number of other institutions too. In fact, what we are trying to learn today is something that is already known. So it's more of about dissemination of an information rather than creation of new knowledge. But what we want, in fact, is this through the platform of a university, we propagate this information, we send this message to everyone, because world is now talking about character building, world is now talking about ethics, world is now talking about character. So this thing which is already known to us, why not to bring it to the knowledge of everyone? While using our own language, while using our own culture, while using our own practices through these wonderful performing artists, who are students by themselves, but then at the same time have this courage to stand in front of you all, but not only to you students, but they'll be going to larger number of universities in Sindh and beyond. So let me again congratulate all the students of University of Sufism and Modern Sciences, and I'm really grateful to the students and faculty of SABS University of Art, Design and Heritage for welcoming them here with such a zeal and courage, and really embracing them as the first institution to host your event here. Thank you very much, everyone who really make all this entire day possible, the entire USMS team and entire SABS teams. So means I think I am more privileged than anybody else here, wearing the hat of two vice chancellors, and having this opportunity that I do not only have artists and performers from the University of Sufism and Modern Sciences, but the performance and artists from SABS University Jamshoro too. So be together, celebrate together, enjoy together, and with this message, today we are launching the Sufi Art Forum, which I in fact asked to bring some media pictures too, but inshallah we'll be doing it in short while. And this team is here, need your encouragement, need your clappings, need a lot of that whatever we can do for them. Thank you very much once again for all the appreciations and wonderful work, guys. Thank you.